When it comes to using Twitter, having lists of key accounts that you want to follow and connect with organized really well is a great thing. And I'll show you how to create a list and add members to that list in this video. Here we go. So you need to click on lists, as I've done here, and then you need to go up here to the icon with the note page and the plus and click on there. Each list needs a title, a description, and then you determine whether you make it private or public. Now bear in mind that if you make it private, you can't later make it public, so be clear about your decisions. I'll call this one social media training, and then I'll say social media accounts. Now, they're optional, you don't really need to have the description, but it's a useful thing to do. I've made that public so everyone can see it. I'll say next, and now we can add members. One of the great things is you can have suggested members based on recommended people, so I'll add a couple of these accounts, and I'll say done, and now you can see all the latest tweets from those particular members. Certainly seems to be a couple there. So really straightforward. You can now pin particular lists to the top of your profile, so the key ones you want to interact with more often you can put into those top 5 pinned profiles. Instead of having a huge list of lists, you can just pick out the key information you need to see. They make life a lot more manageable, and they give you some great ideas about who to follow, because you'll find members of lists. You can see how many members there are in each one, and you'll see how active those members are from the tweets they send. So that's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.